Instruction files versus prompt files in GitHub Copilot. What's the difference? Still unsure how these two powerful features work? Here's a quick guide to what they are, when to use them, and how to set them up. Instruction files. What are they? Instruction files, often named Copilot-instructions.md, defines the rules, coding standards, or guidelines Copilot should follow when generating code in your repo or workspace. When to use? Perfect for team projects or open source repos to keep Copilot suggestions aligned with org standards and naming conventions. How to use? Create your file from a sample or scratch. Save it in .github/ or add file type specific instructions in .github/instructions/. Copilot automatically applies them to every request. Prompt files. What are they? Prompt files provide context for a specific coding session or file, steering Copilot's output for a targeted task. When to use? Great for prototyping, custom algorithms, integrations, compliance requirements, or onboarding new team members needing explicit guidance. How to use? Draft your prompt and place it in .github/prompts/ as open bracket prompt name close bracket .prompt.md. In VS Code, type /prompt name in chat, or in Visual Studio, type #prompt name to activate. Stay tuned for more GitHub Copilot updates.